Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities. I am Taha Hazik, I am the Secretary of this Commission. And as you all know, from past a couple of years, Commission has a trend to announce something very unique, something different in regards to empowering persons with disabilities in the state. This time also we are here to announce the a wonderful exhibition what has been now put up from starting from the 15th of this month, and this is in collaboration with the Taj Group. And what we are doing here is our main painter is Miss Federica Menezes, who would be having her more than 100 paintings there to be auctioned for showcasing the empowered persons with disabilities. We have persons like Mr. Ivo, who's just joined us now, and a lot of more fraternity who again is now coming in, and coming in for showcasing the capacity.
Like he rightly said, it's not the proceeds we're looking at, it's the opportunity for everybody to come on that platform. So between Series 1 to Series 2, we will be spreading the word among the persons with disabilities so that they can start practicing their motivation and showcase their talent. Now, it's not, international type of an auction or sale. The prices would range between 2,500 to a little more than that, 5 different categories. Maximum each painting would be 20,000 rupees. And what the visiting artists will produce there, find the base price for the auction would range between 30,000 to maximum 90,000. And that's not a big amount. So overall, the whole collection may not even exceed 3 to 4 lakhs. So it's not a big thing. But what the supporters are spending, all these that I mentioned and who will mention in this, individuals have supported. That cost, if one had to meet, that's substantial. The hall, the air tickets of Estonian artists, nobody's paying for it. They're paying themselves. They've come forward. Imagine a person, all these artists, making time to participate in this event. And therefore my request to the audience is please attend, enjoy, participate, and contribute whatever you can.
How many artists will be there?
Yes, these are the ones I mentioned.
Yeah.
But the principal artist is Frederica. On the Series 1, because she has offered something like 107 paintings of hers. And this thought came to her barely a few weeks ago, and we thought that we should take an opportunity, get it done during this period, which is a busy period from a touristic point of view, the exposition, IFI, serendipity, etc. So the more you promote this, I hope there are representatives of every channel here, including the radio channels, I hope. If not, then I think we'll get the message across to them. Do your bit, please help out, and please be present